So here I got a 2014 Ford Focus SE, and the neutral safety switch is right there. Just 2 bolts, 5/16 bolts, and a little tab that goes on there. Now when you replace it, make sure that this tab right here goes on the left, because it'll just hit against that right there. And then you're also wanting to take this overflow filter or whatever the fuck it is, overflow valve, take that sumbitch off, goes right next to it, and just plug her in. And put that valve back on. Now also, so I had a lot of problems. I don't know if that's going to be the issue, but I solved it without replacing the neutral safety switch. What I did was, I had problems whenever you turn your shit on, nothing would happen at all. Replaced all the fuses, relays, nothing would happen. Ground wires, all that good shit. So what I did was, I took a wire from each side of the starter relay, pulled them up through this little slot right there. There's 2 holes on the inside where I fed my wires through to come up through here onto a switch. Now, if whenever you go and some bitch doesn't turn on, you hit that switch while your shit is engaged into turning on, and it'll start. So you can hear that turns on the starter, but you won't have the ignition. So you need to have the ignition on while you hit that switch, and it'll fucking start. Those are just a couple problems I had. I replaced the TCM on the sumbitch, and that's when I started realizing the problems. So just take your 2 wires. I just doubled them up, put them on one side of the relay, click them in there, put them on the switch, and zip tied it, called it good.